I was talking, we're going to check her again. If you open and close, this horse has done a lot of miles. I have some medial lateral motion. Yes, I know, it's not nice. If you come and put your hand here, you'll feel like a really fat, healthy sponge. Look at that, look how hard it is. Okay? No mobility, very little. We got a little bit more mobility here, but not much. The fact is that, and Mike and I have talked about this a lot, that I can change the body to a point, but at some point the foot will lock the pattern into the body. And so there's only so much you can do if you don't have this kind of correct communication that follows all the way through.
Everything here.
Here, let me get a cup, I can show you better.
See? And here I don't have enough space. So the capsule is actually sheared, and this is the breakover. Very interesting when you have compression in the wall, which they do because the capsule was so distorted. Look what happened to the sole. That's not from overwearing because it was on the rubberized arena. There's, I didn't put it on hard ground because I'm not crazy. And you can see how as the wall deflects and goes down, you start having actual concavity. It gets better. Look at that. So whatever distortion is in the wall, you're going to see at the sole. That is after he was wearing
lining the block in this little cartoon, and I'm misaligning it by plus or minus 15 degrees. And here, this was a study just to show how much does the measurement of the palmar angle change if we have some misalignment when you plunk down the generator. And again, I say the palmar angle, pretty robust. And I did this because some people say, oh, all that measurement stuff is great, but if you don't have everything exactly perfect, then it's all meaningless. And it's not so black and white. It's actually pretty robust. You get pretty good measurements. And so in this example, if you're within plus or minus 10 degrees, the palmar angle stays within about half a degree.